again, we have another grammar lesson about past simple. So they're really good tense and so functional because we can talk or we can say a lot of things, especially about past tense with this grammar. From now to past time, whenever, no matter, just 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 1 month ago, last year, and also about 1,000 years ago, 2,000 years ago, all of them can be gathered in this category of past simple. Whatever we did and it's over, and we don't talk about that action anymore, is past simple. Look at here, we have a graph here. This time is now, exactly this time, now. After this now goes to present tense and also future, but from now to back, exactly, I'm talking to you 1 minute ago or 20 seconds ago, from now to past. All of them can be past simple. Here it can be yesterday, 5 days ago, 10,000 years ago, what happened in the world, what happened in this country, last week, whatever we say, previous month, all of them can be gathered here in past simple. Now, we have some words. This is really good for past simple. There is no change for he, she, it. It's not like present. We have just one form of the verb, just one form. We have two groups of verbs, regular and irregular, that there are changes. For irregular verbs, we change the past form. For example, go, the past form of go is went, and I will show you the list now after this video, you will see it. And we have regular ones that we just need ed or d, or for some words we need ied. Here we have the verb play. Play is a regular verb, so we just add ed and we read it, played. Now, for all subject pronouns, we just use the verbs. There is no change for he, she, it. For the third part. I played, you played, we played, they played. He played, she played, it played. It's about some time before. I can add some time expressions to them. For example, I played yesterday. You played 2 months ago. Or you can add some more words like we played a game last year. You can add time expressions. Now, what are time expressions for past simple? Let's look. Here are some time expressions that show exactly past simple. Whenever we see these time expressions, we know that the verb must be past form, especially the simple past form. Or if we make sentences in past form, we need these time expressions to show the time of the action. Last, previous, ago, and yesterday. For example, last Monday, last week, last Friday, last year, last January. We can add it for any time parts, month, days, weekdays, and also the year. Previous day, previous month, like the last form, ago. Just for past simple we use it, 5 days ago. It's from now on, we count 5 days to past. 5 days means before. Ago means before. 10 months ago means 10 months before now to past. And 20 years ago, 20 years from now to past, before. And also we have yesterday. Yesterday means the day before. Today is Monday, so yesterday means Sunday, the day before Monday. Or if today was Friday, I would say yesterday for Friday, Thursday, the day before Friday. these are time expressions to use past simple. Now let's have a look over the regular and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, the past form changes. Go, went. Sit, sat. Run, ran. Bring, brought. Do, did. Eat, ate. Regular verbs, we need D or ED. And if the last sound or letter is Y, we change Y and write IED. Work, worked. Brush, brushed. Watch, watched. Dance, danced. Play, played. Talk, talked. Laugh, laughed. Wash, washed. Kiss, kissed. Study, studied. Now here we have a complete list of how to pronounce a regular verb in past form. We have three groups. We add D, ED, or IED, but the pronunciation is different. For example, for work, I add ED, but I don't pronounce it that. I say T, worked. Here we have listen, listened. Invite, invited. Why? We have kind of classification. If the last sound, not especially the letter, the sound that you hear, the last sound of a word is a mark. Ch, s, p, k, f, sh. As you hear the word, it ends to these 6 sounds. So we add ED or D, but the pronunciation is T. For example, here I have laugh. We see GH, the last letters, but we hear F, laugh, or the laugh. So if I add ED, I don't say laughed, we say laughed or laughed. Let's read. Smoke, smoked. Wash, washed. Brush, brushed. Watch, watched. Kiss, kissed. Dance, danced. We have C here, but the sound is S, not K. So we pronounce T, danced. Laughed, worked, booked. Finished, stopped, helped. D, listened, opened, played, sprayed, phoned, enjoyed, cleaned, loved, offered, called, and used. This group, for the rest of the verb, contains the rest. We have another rule for ed and. For example, some letters that end or the sound is ch, se, pe, ke, fe, je for T group. And if the word ends to the sound or letter of T or D, we have id, and the rest of the verbs are D. If a verb doesn't end to these 6 and these 2, I mean the 8 sounds that I say, so it can be in the group of D. We can pronounce it D. Invite, invited. Add, added. Aid, aided. Decide, decided. Flood, flooded. Want, wanted. Start, started. Point, pointed. Paint, painted. If the verb ends to the sounds of ch, se, pe, ke, f, sh, we pronounce it t. If it ends to t and d, we pronounce it id in regular form past. And if it is not in any of these 2 groups, so we pronounce it d.